Good morning to all. Let us revise the chapter algebra portion, that is chapter number 11 from the book Innovative Math Books. Exercise 11.5. I have already done few questions from this exercise 11.5. Today I am doing the selective sums. From number 1 I am doing number third. From number 2 I am doing second and third. And from number 3 I will do last part. You have to multiply. The third part, number 1, third part, just to see what you have to multiply. 3x square plus 2xy minus 4y square by xy square plus x square y. Just see. Already I have done this exercise. Okay. First part and second part I already done. For your coming annual exam, let me revise. Exercise 11.5, that is algebra portion, chapter number 11. Number 1, you have to multiply. The first part question given 3x square plus 2xy minus 4 over y square into xy square plus x square y. If you multiply, the first part is 3x square, the second bracket, that is xy square plus x square. This is the way of putting. Then second part is 2xy, the second bracket total, that is xy square plus x square y. The third is minus 4y square, the second bracket is xy square plus x square y. Now you have to multiply individually. This will be 3 x square, x means x cube, y square plus 3 x square, x, that will be x to the power 4 y. Next 2xy into xy square, this will be 2 x square y cube plus 2xy into x square, this will be 2 x cube y square minus 4 x y to the power 4, then minus 4 x square y cube. Now see which are the like terms. X cube y square, x cube y square. That is no other part. X cube y, 3x cube y square, here 2x cube y square. 3 plus 2, 5 x cube y square. Next 3x, x to the power 4 y, and x to the power 4 y, there is no x to the power 4 y. Let me write like this, 3 x to the power 4 y. Next is 2 x square y cube, x square y cube, this part and this part, plus 2 x cube y square minus 4 x square y cube. This will be minus 2, plus 2 minus 4 minus 2 x square y cube, and this one minus 4 x y to the power 4. So this is the answer of number 1, first part. Okay, let us go number 2, second part. Same thing, find the product. Number 2, second part, question given, just to see what is given here. Second part question given, 1 by 2 AB into inside the bracket, that is given 3a square minus 5b square a plus 10 a square b. Okay, just you have to open the bracket. This is ab by 2 into 3, that means 3 by 2 a into a square, that is a cube b. Next second part, half ab minus 5, that is minus 5 by 2 a into a, that is a square, b into b square, that will be b cube. Next plus 1 by 2 into 10, that is 5. 1 by 2 into 10 means 5. 5 a square a means a cube, b square, and this is the result. Number 2, second part. Next is number 2, third part. The third part question given 1 by 5 x square minus 1 by 3 y square plus 2 by 5 x square y into 5x y square. Just multiply. Individually you have to multiply, means 1 by 5 x square into 5 xy square. Next minus 1 by 3 y square into 5 xy square plus 2 by 5 x square y into 5 xy square. This 5 cancel, x square into x, that is x cube y square minus 5 by 3 x y to the power 4. 5 cancel, 2 left, 2 x square here means x cube y cube. This is the answer of number 2, second part. Next, next question is see number 3. Number 3 third part, second part, you have to simplify. Number 3 second part simplify, it is given 5a cube minus 18 a square minus 25a into 1 by 5a minus, inside the bracket it is given 9a square minus 6a plus 11 whole into minus 2 by 3a. Just to see, if you will multiply a by 5 into 5, this will 5 cancel, a to the power 4 minus 18 by 5 a into a square, that will be a cube minus, if you will multiply 5 is 25, 5 a into a, that is a square. This minus, here minus, plus 2 by 3 into 9, that is 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 6 a square a, that will be a cube. Again this become plus, this is minus, 3 2 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 4 a into a, that is a square. Then 11 and this is 2 by 3, that means 22 by 3 a. Now see what are the like terms are there. a4 only one, a4, this is a cube, this is also a cube. You have to adjust, you have to power add, means plus 6 minus 18 by 5 a cube minus 5a square minus 4a square, that will be minus 9a square plus 22 by 3a. This is nothing but a to the power 4. a to the power 4, this will be 5 6 is 30, 30 minus 18, that is 12. 12 by 5 a cube minus 9 a square plus 22 by 3a. And this is the answer. In this way, number 3 second part completed. This exercise fully completed. Try to complete of your own. Thanks for today's class.